Welcome. This is Bitcoin Day Trading, the best Elliott wave analysis, episode number 41. As I'm speaking, my outlook on BTC price is changing by the minute. So I want to take a brief look with you at the chart so that we can see what is happening and give you my latest thoughts on the market. I've already gave two analyses, one for my private client, two for my private clients in my private Telegram group. And now I'm going to talk about it on YouTube. So it provides my private clients more information since I can discuss the wave count on YouTube better than I can do it in a private chat room. But it's very analytic and interesting to read my private chat room. So I recommend you to get a subscription if you haven't done it already. Anyways, first, this is my disclaimer and my risk warning. Please take a look at it. The link is in the description. And as always, I'm offering the live Elliott Wave updates for $20 a month. You get 1 to 3 updates a day. Mostly it's more than that, and you just have to join my free Telegram group and tell me that you're interested. There's no waiting list for now. And now I want to take a look at the charts. So let's start with the 3-hour chart. So the 3-hour chart, I still switch to the alternate count. It's a bullish count. And on that count, I've labeled it an A, B, C, and now we're in the process of going higher on that count. I don't want to talk too much about the bullish count because I'm still focused mostly on the main bearish count. So I want to switch to the main bearish count, but I'll still take a look at the 5-minute chart for the bullish count. So the 5-minute chart for the bullish count gives us a wave C here where we had a flash crash, the flash price drop, and then we are in a corrective mode. And the corrective mode could have stopped here, which would be then wave 2, and we could go higher in wave 3. But that's my bullish alternate count, as you can see. And it's still not my favorite count, even though the probability with the rise of price that we just have gets much higher by the minute. That the alternate count, the bullish count, is will be my favorite count in a short period of time. To know that, I have to see price above that level, 63,733. When that's the case, I can switch over to my bullish alternate count. And now I'm going to talk about what I really want to talk about, and that is my main count. So in my main count, I relabeled it for now, in order to make it endure, because I was tracking a series of 1 or 2 years, but with the last price move, that is not possible anymore. So I've switched to a triangle. So I did relabeling, and I started with relabeling wave 1, 2. I put the 3 here now, the 4 here, and the 5 here, in order to make it a wave A. As you can see, here's the wave A. So I did some relabeling on that decline. And I also relabeled the subwaves to fit the new labeling so that we have wave A here. And then I'm putting on the chart a triangle, an A, B, C, D, E. And if that's the case, after the E wave, we go down. So this is still my main count, but it gets less likely by the minute. I know that the triangle is invalidated if we go above 62,974, because wave E cannot exceed wave C. Here you have wave C, and wave E that wave cannot exceed wave C, or this wave C, so the upper wave C, not the lower one. So wave E cannot exceed wave C. So as soon as 62,974 breaks, I know that the triangle is not valid. It gets invalidated. Then I have to see if I can count it in a different manner in order to still keep the bearish count alive. If that's the case, I will inform the members of my private channel as soon as I made up my mind. But the main count, which is bearish, okay, will get invalidated when that level breaks, when 63,725.58 breaks. As soon as that breaks, the main count gets invalidated, and then I will switch over to my alternate bullish count. That will then become my main count. Okay, that's it. I was very brief. I don't want to be too long. I'm tracking it and see what is happening if wave E exceeds wave C, and then I'll inform my private clients of my private Telegram group of my new outlook. And for those who don't want to follow me, don't want to join my private Telegram group, you will have to wait until tomorrow. But it's very analytic, my private Telegram group. And if you want to learn about Elliott wave, I think it's a good idea to be a member. You will see me discuss the wave counts the whole day long, and I think you can learn something, even if you're not a trader. And if you're a trader, that's useful information for your trading, since it's an indicator that you can follow Elliott wave. Okay, that's it for today. I'm busy, so I don't want to be too long, but it's nice being back for one more week of trading. It was good for me to take the weekend off and change my idea and don't look too much at the charts and make no technical analysis for 2 days. But I started again yesterday night, and I'm ready for one more week of trading. So I hope you join at least my free Telegram group, and if you're interested, let me know, and I'll provide you the instruction of how to become a member of my private Telegram group. And as always, you can do me a favor by hitting the like button, and if it's not already done, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon, because it's time-sensitive information. Thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.